Alright, so here's the deal. Today's tutorial I'll try to make it as fast as possible, but in the end of the video I want you to pick one anime, game character or whatever you want and try following this tutorial and tell me down in the comments what happened. Are you happy with your result or not? Anyway, so just like I said, pick one character, put it in Photoshop and then sketch it out. If you can't sketch it, I don't care, trace it over. I want you to have a sketch and lines on your character in order to move to second step. So I will just sketch my character really fast and I will skip this part. So let's get started. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, I will appreciate that, and let's keep going. Okay, so after we have the sketch, I assume that you already have opened your reference photo and we're gonna use the colors from it. So open it right next to your sketch. Then we're gonna pick the polygonal lasso tool, or if you're better with Photoshop, you can use pen tool. After we pick the polygonal lasso tool, we're gonna zoom in our sketch, make a new layer and name it ink. Then we're gonna make a selection with the tool. Let's select the horn. Then after we made the selection, we're gonna open and zoom in our reference, and with the color picker we're gonna pick a color. This one. This is good. Then zoom out. Go to our drawing, make the hardness of your brush 100 and paint it. Remove the selection and as you can see we have a triangular shape. If you zoom out you can see it, but we're gonna clear it a bit. What we're gonna do, you're gonna pick the eraser and you round it a bit, just like this, and we're done. So we're gonna repeat all of these steps, watching the colors from your reference and making selections. For example, I'll make another selection for the year, let's say, like that. Then we're gonna go back and round it a little bit, finish the selection, open our reference, pick the color, and then paint it. Well, this color is a little bit too bright. I think I'll just use a little bit too dark, just like that. Let me check it out. Well, actually no, 02 is a little bit brighter. This will do the work. Yeah, this is far better. Yeah, that's better. And don't get me wrong, you can experiment with it as much as you want. You can experiment with the sketch, experiment with the colors. This is just a beginner's guide. If you don't know what to do and if you can't draw, you can't sketch, you can make your hours characters. Just use this method, and when you have everything, you just remove the sketch and you'll be left with our drawing. Let me continue using this method and I'll be back to show you how to make the highlights and the shadows. Okay, so I finished with the ink and now it's time for the shadows and highlights. Let me just show you a quick tip. I made the hair on separate layer because it's much easier to blend it behind the other colors. I mean, look here. That's the face, but under the face there's pink. So I did a little bit of lining right here with the black just to have a contrast and for the viewers to know where the hands. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to do the shading. We're gonna start from the breast because it's easier and I can show it. We're gonna use the polygonal tool again, make a new layer, name it shading if you want to, and let's get started. I'm gonna show you a tip. It's much easier if you add one line, and this line we're gonna erase it later, but it's guideline. So we're back on the shadow layer and start picking everything that will be in our shade. So something like that. There we go, we have a selection now. Make the brush a little bit bigger, color pick from right here, go back and then paint this out, just like that. Remove. Now remove the line and there we go, you have it. Pick again the brush, select, make it a little bit smaller, and then with your own skill make the edges a little bit softer so that it's believable. Something like that, I like it. Go back, zoom out, remove the sketch, and there you go. Just like that. And now we'll continue doing the shadows. Well, yeah, this method is pretty simple and I hope that you will try it. Tell me down in the comments what have you done and do you like the result or not. Anyway, the only tools that you're going to use is the eraser, brush tool and polygonal lasso tool, or maybe the magic wand if you're better with it. So the tutorial is pretty straightforward and it's pretty easy and everyone can do it as long as you can trace or sketch. If you don't understand something or have some questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments, I will try to answer you. Anyway, I hope you liked the tutorial. Also, I just wanted to be helpful and show you my process. Anyway, thank you for watching, I will leave you with the speed art. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and don't forget, stay cool.